last thing we look into in case of a release pipeline is redeployment options. So when a deployment or when a release is done and a latest version of the application is deployed to a particular server, and let's say your gates or your validation has failed or the deployment has failed during the task execution, so then you cannot leave your deployment as it is, because the application would have been broken and the end users would have been impacted. So in such scenarios, you can configure what are the conditions on which Azure DevOps has to redeploy and previously successful build to ensure the application is up and running if something goes wrong in your current release or current deployment. So in order to enable that, we again go back to post deployment conditions, and there is an auto redeploy trigger. So it is a trigger where what are the events? Whenever a deployment to the stage fails, there's only one event at this point. So deployment to the particular state, in this case, and I'm selecting development. So deployment to this stage fails, then what is the action we need to take? Basically, what we are saying is redeploy to the last successful deployment. So which means that if for some reason, either because of your public gates, Azure gates, or because your validation, your QA has failed, and you reject or you deny you don't approve the deployment, then it will automatically trigger a previously successful build, so that the application is updated to a working state, and nothing, end users are not impacted because of this.